Welcome friends, myself Suraj from Nepal. uh, Genuinely I am civil engineer, uh, doing master degree, or you can call MSc in GIS and cartography in Chinese University. uh, I have been using this ArcGIS, basically ArcGIS. If you can find QGIS also, which is basically Python based. I have been using this GIS since 2-3 years. I have a little bit command over this. If this series goes well, I will teach from very basic to automated, or you can say ArcPy, or batching, where batching is the process of doing repeated tasks in a single step. uh, this is my first video in this series. Up to now I don't have a good command over the video editing, so I'll not have that much quality video. If uh, if you people give me some support, then I will edit and post in a quality. So at first video, I just want to do some short video. So I decided to make the video on these interfaces. Basically, this is called ribbon. I think in every software this is called ribbon, and this is interface, graphical interface, or you can say GUI, graphical user interface. So I see during my learning process, basically people don't introduce this thing, but these are the basic and must needed things whenever you are using the GIS. So this my first video is dedicated to know the interfaces very well. Okay, so at first, like in every software, there is file option. So in file there is, I will go through this all, okay, and these things, then these ribbon things and these interfaces. Okay, so in file, it's in the first, there is new, with you can access it by shortcut key also, control plus N. This is the file, in file you can work one work. Okay, for a single or for single project, you can create, or you should create a new file. Okay, for this new, you should click on the file and click on new, or you can directly access by control plus N. Okay, basically in ArcGIS, it's rather than saying file, you can say new map document. Okay, open, you can open the previously done file, or the file from other people you can open. Okay, for open, it is not necessary always to go in the file and click open. You can drag also, or you can directly double click the file which are supported, or which is supported by the ArcGIS. Okay, in later video I will show the some extension which are supported by ArcGIS. Okay, then save. This is the must, this is the must uh, key. This is the must command, which is how to say, which is sorry, which is familiar, with every people, because ArcGIS is a very heavy software, like if you are civil engineer, like doing CAD, CAD, SAP, they are heavy sectors, so they randomly or they frequently goes to crashes, so in order to save your work, you should save, okay, or you can directly access by Control plus S, okay. From now, don't forget to do Control plus S, or you can save, okay. Save as like other sector, it's similar. You can save your file, or you can save your map, because the final output of ArcGIS is map. So you can save your map in the different form, like you can say save as ArcMap document type. Now this is in the ArcMap, how to save your file, okay, how to save your file, this document, in different folders wherever you like. Then share it. There are the online some yes, online service where you can search, or you can share your this file. A data, the ArcGIS runs or only is capable when uh, so for GIS, basically GIS to run or to process the data, it needs the data. In simple term, you can say coordinates, uh, because lines and area or polygon are made of single point. So to aid the data, uh, or you can in broad term, you can say raster and vector data, or any other data which are supported by ArcGIS can be added through this button or from here, this plus sign, okay, this plus sign, add data option, okay. And then ArcGIS Online, you can publish your maps and results over there. It's a huge community or large community. Page and print setup, I already told you that this the output of the ArcGIS is the map. So of course, to produce a map there should be some page setups. You can say like this. You can choose the size of papers, dimensions, layout, the portrait or landscape, scale the maps, which printer, like this. We'll go through this later. you know it's a great video. Print, you can directly print the video. Export map, I already told you, like a save it. You can choose the format of the map whichever you like, and like, color mode, generals, if you like, resolution, DPI. Higher the number of DPI, the high quality will be map, so. And the export, analyze map, you can analyze. If you produce the map over there, now we have blank interface, so we don't have any correction. However, there are some issues, like references systems, like coordinate system. See, the data frame doesn't have layers, there are no any data, so these are the issues, so whenever you produce the result, it will analyze the map and produce some comments, and this, I think this is the most important part of this video. This, you can produce your map and and your file or map document, and you can give the description, okay, to third party, like if you're to your client, that will give us uh, your quality of your work, like classic work, and the thing I want to focus is that this path name, okay. If you don't click over this, then your file will be saved in the uh, absolute path. That means it can be only open in your specified folder. I mean, if you don't click this path names dialog, that file that you made ArcGIS map document will not be open on the PC, or even if you saved in other folder, it will say uh, choose the source folder, and that will give the error and you cannot access your file. So always click this thing so you can easily share your file to other person, or even you can, if you save in other folder, there will be no issue of source folder. Okay. Okay, this is the video for this, because the length of the video is 11 minutes, so it will be tedious, or it will be not so attractive, not so attentive to watch more than 10 videos. We will discuss this thing in upcoming videos. Thank you.